Hey y'all, check this out. Here's the first page from that stuff that was assigned last week. I'm going to do a couple of these problems just in case you were kind of like, what the what? I have no idea what's going on. Okay, so let's get started. So here we go. Let's take a look at this thing. So what they're doing here is they've actually already found the answer. The answer is 4, and they're showing you why it's true. See, 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 30 equals 6, which shows that if you plug 4 in where the x is, you make this equation true. So that's after you find the answer. But how do you find the answer? That's the other thing. That's what we're going to try to do here. So over here, let's take a look at this one. So it's kind of like a puzzle. You're really just saying some number times 3 plus 13 has got to be 43. So what would that number be? Well, if you're not sure, we can do the algebra part where you just say, well, what if we just subtract 13 from both sides of the equation? What would we get? Well, this comes down 3x, right? Positive 13, negative 13, that gives you 0, right? So you end up with 43 minus 13 is 30. You probably can guess it now, but 3 times some number is 30. Let's just say you didn't even know what that was. Well, let's divide by 3, because 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then divide this side by 3, and you get, well, 1x is equal to 10. The solution is 10. Put a box around that bad boy. So, and you could say, well, let's plug it in. And you would also say something like this. Right there, if I plug 10 in, 3 times 10 is 30. 30 plus 13, yes, that's 43. Let's do another one. Maybe you could just pause the video right now, try it yourself, and see if you get the right answer. So pause it now. And we're back. So what would we do here? We want to, it's called isolating the variable, but it's just a way of getting x by itself. Well, let's get rid of this 13 first. How do we do that? Well, let's add 13, because positive 13 and negative 13 is 0. But we got to add 13 to both sides of the equation. This gives you 0. Bring this down, you get 8x equals, what is that? 27 plus 13. According to my calculations, I think it's 40 if you add it together. Some number times 8 is 40. I think it's 5. But in case you're not sure, divide by 8 on both sides. That's 1. Right? 8 divided by 8 is 1. So 1x is equal to 40 divided by 8 is 5. And wango. There you go. Okay, hope that helps to finish that first page. I'll make another video for the other pages in case you were struggling. Okay, goodbye.